Hello everyone, welcome to episode 49 of Silver's cocktail course. After the theory excursion from last video, I'm back for a recipe video, and as you can see behind me, I'm once again in Suramar. This region is inhabited by a group of night elves who, after millennia of solitude, became addicted to the magical essence of the night well, a magical fountain in their city. And to get their daily dose of night well essence, they developed techniques to infuse that magical essence into their food and beverages for the most part. And so they have a lot of different types of drinks infused with night well energy. So Suramar, for me as a bartender, is a region with a plethora of possibilities for new drinks. So I decided to pick another one. This time it's the Distilled Nightwine, a very strong alcoholic beverage. That is also true for my version. It is really a strong alcoholic drink, and that's how you make it. This time we start with our stirring glass and some ice cubes, as this drink is stirred, not shaken. The first ingredient is then vodka 3cl, which is 1 ounce of it, and as you will see, this drink consists mostly of alcoholic ingredients, so it is really a strong drink. Next one, 2cl, 2/3 of an ounce of Maraschino liqueur. That's an Italian cherry flavored liqueur. Next we have 1cl, 1/3 of an ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange flavored liqueur. And then we have the only non-alcoholic ingredient, which is a citric solution. Okay, that one will need an explanation. All these liqueurs add a lot of sweetness to the drink, and I would like to contrast that with some acidity. I would use lemon juice for that, but lemon juice has a slight disadvantage in this recipe, because as you will see now, it is cloudy, and I would like my drink to be absolutely clear. As you can see, the lemon juice has nearly the same color as the wooden bar under it. So lemon juice is out, but I have an alternative. The substance within lemon juice that gives it its acidity is citric acid, which can also be purchased in a pure and concentrated form, which is then this white powder you can see here. In stores you will most likely find it at the cleaning supplies, as a highly concentrated citric solution can be used to clean pots, pans and silverware and so on. You should look out for some labels saying it has food quality or something similar, so it can be safely used in food purposes. In this concentrated form as a powder we cannot use it because it would be too strong and the powder does not dissolve well in cold alcohol. So we will dissolve it in warm water to the same level as lemon juice is. We will use 7 grams of citric acid with 100 ml of warm water for that one. Stir it until it is clear. The warmer the water it is, the easier it will dissolve. As you can see, it is clear again, so we can fill it in a small bottle to use it when it is cooled down, because for our drink it should be cold to not heat up our other ingredients. So what we basically have here is a clear substitute for lemon juice when it comes to acidity. And now we can use that in our recipe. We use 1cl, 1/3 of an ounce of it, to give it a little bit of acidity. And then we have one ingredient left, which will not be measured using a jigger. It is 1 dash of dry vermouth. Known brands for that are Martini Bianco or, in my case, Noyer Pras. Then stir all the ingredients for about 45 seconds. I will skip over that to keep the video a bit shorter. And once you're finished stirring it, strain it using that kind of a strainer into a cocktail glass. I will use that kind, which is a coupe glass, and as you can see, it is chilled. It was in the fridge for a while. You should pre-chill the glass because there's no ice in it, and otherwise the drink would be getting warm too soon. Decoration is also used sparsely in that kind of glass. I will use those blue curacao syrup drops, which are treated to form a solid surface and to resemble the drops of the nightwell essence poured into the drink by the Suramar night elves. And that's my recipe for the Distilled Nightwine. As always, you can find it in the still summary in a moment and also in the video description. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video if you want to. And until then, goodbye and cheers. Hello everyone, Silva here and welcome to episode 49 of Silva's cocktail course. As you can see,